raw potatoes unloaded onto steel intake hoppers. Potato transport trucks arrive at automated food processing facility. Potatoes move continuously onto high-capacity conveyor belts. Proved potatoes continue along primary production conveyor. Rotary drum washer begins removing soil from potato surfaces. High-pressure spray jets rinse potatoes from multiple angles. Peel waste flushed away through dedicated drain channels. Post-peel brush washer cleans remaining peel residues. Peeled potatoes discharge into slicing feed conveyors.
Fresh Lay's chip slices fall directly onto rinse conveyors.
Lay's chip slices enter continuous cold water starch rinse channel. Rotating blades slice Lay's potatoes into ultra-thin chips. Peeled Lay's potatoes enter high-speed precision slicing machines. Agitated water removes excess starch from Lay's chip slices.
Starch-laden water overflows into dedicated separation system.
Rinsed Lay's chip slices move onto vibrating dewatering belts.
Automated sensors monitor Lay's chip slice thickness consistency.
Approved Lay's chip slices align evenly before frying. Out-of-spec Lay's chip slices diverted from production flow. Feed conveyors regulate Lay's chip slice density and speed. Rinsed Lay's chip slices exit wash zone toward frying. Lay's potato chip slices enter continuous high-capacity frying system. Industrial fryer maintains exact oil temperature for Lay's chips. Lay's chips travel steadily through the fryer on submerged conveyors.
Lay's chip slices descend evenly into temperature-controlled frying oil.
Rapid moisture evaporation creates Lay's chip crisp texture. Surface oil drains from Lay's chips at fryer exit.
Optical sensors monitor Lay's chip color development. Continuous oil filtration removes crumbs during Lay's chip frying. Frying time controlled precisely for thin Lay's potato chips.
Fully fried Lay's chips rise toward fryer exit section.
Freshly fried Lay's chips exit fryer toward cooling conveyors. Centrifugal motion further reduces oil retention on chips. Vibrating belts remove excess surface oil from Lay's chips. Freshly fried Lay's chips enter high-speed de-oiling conveyors. Recovered frying oil drains back into closed circulation system. Lay's chips enter forced air cooling tunnel section. High volume airflows rapidly cools Lay's potato chips. Cooling conveyors maintain even chip spacing and flow.
Temperature sensors verify Lay's chips are seasoning ready.
Chip structure stabilizes as internal moisture equalizes.
Stabilized Lay's chips advance toward seasoning drums. Cooled Lay's chips exit stabilization zone toward seasoning. Buffer conveyors regulate chip feed before flavor application. Precision feeders dispense measured salt onto Lay's chips.
Cooled Lay's chips enter automated seasoning application system.
Residual surface oil helps salt adhere to chips. Rotating seasoning drums gently tumble Lay's chips.
Drum rotation speed controls seasoning uniformity.
Seasoned Lay's chips exit drum onto inspection conveyors. Out-of-spec seasoned chips diverted from main flow. Recovered seasoning recycled back into dispensing system. Optical systems verify seasoning coverage consistency. Approved Lay's chips advance toward final packaging section.
Seasoned Lay's chips exit flavoring zone, ready for packing.
Excess seasoning separates and falls through recovery screens. Measured Lay's chip portions release into bagging chutes. Nitrogen gas flushes air from Lay's chip bags. Automated weighers calculate exact Lay's chip portion sizes. Seasoned Lay's chips enter multi-head weighing systems. Packaging film forms Lay's chip bags around product.
Sealed Lay's chip bags exit packaging machines continuously.
Heat sealers close Lay's chip bags securely.
Inline check weighers verify final Lay's bag weights. Metal detectors scan Lay's chip bags for contamination.
Sealed Lay's chip bags enter automated cartoning lines.
Robotic arms place Lay's chip bags into cartons. Cartons fold and close around Lay's chip bags.
Finished Lay's cartons transfer to palletizing zone.
Forklifts move Lay's pallets toward outbound docks.
Lay's chip pallets loaded onto distribution trucks.